ICAI CA application forms for November and December 2023 exams will be available from 2nd August 2023. Candidates can register for the CA Foundation, Intermediate, and Final exams at the ICAI website. Candidates can follow these steps to apply for the ICAI CA Foundation November and December 2023 course examination. Step 1. Visit the official website of ICAI, icai.org. Step 2. Now, log into your account, and if you don't have an account, then register yourself. Step 3. Now click on the application link for the CA Foundation December exam 2023. Step 4. Fill in the application and pay the fee. Step 5. Submit your application form and take a printout for future reference. For more details on ICAI 2023, check out our website at www.getmyuni.com by clicking the link in the description.